What's going on, everybody? Tyrell here. If you like crypto, on this channel I bring the fundamentals and technicals to curate valuable information to help you on your journey. A free way to support the channel is to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out as I bring you guys this information. What I'm actually going to do first is go into the news. Go to the top of this article. Bitcoin price drops to 52,000, liquidating almost $10 billion. And this flash crash actually shook out a lot of people. A lot of my friends were actually a little anxious following the crash as they didn't know what was happening. And what really caused it was some rumors in China and the US causing the price to drop, which has affected all cryptocurrencies. Having lost the $60,000 support earlier in the weekend, Bitcoin was fairly stable before the snap price event, which liquidated positions almost $10 billion over the past 24 hours. And this was a combination of some rumors. So one was the hash rate in China that dropped as electricity was turned off, and a lot of miners in China were affected from the electricity going out, and that coincided with the drop in price. Additionally, there was a tweet that was sent out by this person or this account, the US Treasury to charge several financial institutions for money laundering using cryptocurrencies sources. Now, there's been some investigation by other crypto YouTubers, and this is actually false information that caused a lot of FUD in the market and caused people to sell. And the US Treasury can't charge financial institutions because they don't have the authority. Only the Department of Justice has that authority, or the SEC. Case in point being the lawsuit against Ripple. And what sources? There were no sources. And FX Hedge quoted anonymous sources as warning over regulators taking unnamed financial institutions to court over money laundering related to cryptocurrency. No other details were given, but this thing spread like wildfire. It went viral, and it caused a lot of people to sell their coins. So not only Bitcoin, but all of the cryptocurrencies. And it caused a dip in the market. But if you've been in the crypto market long enough, you got to know you got to buy the dip. Actually, Btfd. Now, looking at the total crypto market cap, we're currently sitting above $2 trillion. And I drew these balloons on here to give you guys a visual as to the price structure for the crypto market cap. So we have a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and a higher low. And we can expect to potentially have another higher high. So I don't have a crystal ball. This is not financial advice nor investment advice. This is just my opinion. This was just pure and simple manipulation in the markets that caused people to sell and allow people to buy at a lower price, which I did. Honestly, I picked up some more tokens at a discount, and they're all in profit at the moment. And I'll go over some of the coins that I went and bought the dip. Now let's get into Bitcoin, currently sitting at $56,848. I also drew on these balloons as well, since Bitcoin makes up the majority of the crypto market and is following the same structure as the total crypto market cap. And this thing dropped all the way down to a low of $51,300, and a lot of people ended up buying the fucking dip. Let's go to Ethereum. This thing tanked as well, touched the $2,000 support level, exactly to the T. If you look at the L at the top up here, I'm gonna go here again, exactly $2,000. Yeah, $2,000. Very precise. Looks like there was a lot of buy orders right here, and you can see the reaction in price that caused price to dip down here and then go all the way back up to the current price of $2,255. Let's go into Cardano. Did the same thing. However, with this one, we can see that it had some trouble at the $1.50 mark. Let's drill in a little bit deeper. That seems to be formidable resistance. This thing tanked, but found some buy orders at the $1.15 level, and now back up to $1.30. Let's look at Tezos. Did the exact same thing. I had this support drawn on here, and price dipped directly into this level, found some buy orders, now currently back up to $6.26. Now, one of the coins that I bought the dip on was Aave. I'm going to go to the day, actually delete all of these. Now we're just looking at price right now. I'm going to do a horizontal ray. We got some resistance at that level, and currently in this range. This thing dipped all the way from a high of $486 down to a low of $330, and now back up to $387. Now I like Aave. It's like a decentralized exchange token, a governance token that's available on Coinbase. So I like the premise of decentralized exchanges, and I think this has a lot of potential going forward. This is not an endorsement in Aave, but I will let you know that I did buy some Aave. In further note, everything that is shown here, I have some holdings in. Let's go into Algorand. Did the exact same thing. I'm going to delete this for the time being. This thing had a high of nearly $1.80, dipped to a low of $1.25, and shot back up. So this one found some buy orders at the $1.25 mark, exactly at $1.25, just like Ethereum went to exactly $2,000. Where was I? Adam? Alright, gonna go ahead and delete this as well. I had this thing drawn on because I thought there was a break here and then price was gonna go here, but you know, anything can happen in the crypto market. It's super volatile, and that's what we're here for, volatile gains. And this one dipped all the way down to a low of $17.75. Round numbers, psychological numbers. It's actually kind of crazy. Unlock the full power of TradingView. And then found some buy orders exactly at that level, and then trading a little bit higher. Another coin that I bought was Band, and I have this price level on here to show where I bought the fucking dip. So come up here, scale this out. So I bought at $17.26, currently at $17.64. And you can see here, this was the dip that all cryptocurrencies experienced. And then this thing just boom, all the way down to $15 exactly, where there was a lot of buy orders. I didn't get exactly at $15, but it seems kind of fishy now that I'm looking at it. Now that there was a lot of buy orders at round numbers. So I think it was honestly manipulation. Let's see the low here of $2.21 for Engine, which I also bought. So I bought the dip at $2.57, currently at $2.73. This one is like an NFT platform where you can mint NFTs and stuff like that, also available on Coinbase. And if you followed the NFT hype, I believe that's going to continue on into the future. So NFTs and DeFi are going to potentially experience a rise in price over time. And one of my favorites, GRT, this one dipped as well. I didn't buy the dip on this one. I'm dollar cost averaging into this one, and this one dipped all the way down to, look at that, $1.50 exactly. Found some buy orders, and then now it's potentially going to rise up higher. Man, kind of interesting now that I'm doing some deeper research into the price here, some price analysis. And what GRT is, it's like a query blockchain it's a querying cryptocurrency for blockchains. It queries data, blockchain data, and spits out valuable information for a lot of different projects out there. Chainlink has done spectacular. This one dipped all the way down to $32.65. Found some support at the $33 area and just like rocketed back up. So from, let's just say, $33 up to $40, that's a 23% gain for anybody that bought this dip all the way down here. So it was a discount from these highs down here and all the way up to there. And just looking at this, I mean, look at this wick, just all the way back up. Another one that I bought was Mana Decentraland, another NFT platform. I have this bubble on here at $1.26. That's where I bought in a discount from potentially buying up here. So up here, I'm currently up 6.79%, around that number. And I really like Mana, also available on Coinbase. Synthetics. This one allows people to create synthetic assets. So you can create like synthetic Bitcoin, synthetic Apple stock, synthetic Tesla stock, anything like that. I think it's going to be valuable as more and more things in the world start to become tokenized over time. So I see some potential in synthetics as well. And lastly, UMA, Universal Market Access, is similar to synthetics in that it creates synthetic assets. So I bought here at $25.02. And this one has actually done the best out of the ones that I bought the dip on. And we're currently up, let's see, 24%, doing pretty well. Now, and that's how legends are made in the crypto market, by buying the fucking dip and just waiting for it to rip. Now, I hope this was useful and insightful. Once again, this is Tyrell. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. I hope that I help you out, and I will catch you on the next one.